shit out of here.
Okay. No way. Okay.
Alright, you move. What is up, guys? Welcome to the Buds. We're about to do an overnight 24-hour challenge in the woods. We're getting a lighter to light a fire.
We can't die, and we need to get materials like
Food and scrambled eggs
for breakfast.
You're really gonna make another fire in the morning?
No, we have snacks for breakfast, like donuts.
Snacks should. What are we gonna eat for dinner?
I don't know. I already had dinner.
Should we get this or should we get the little lighters? Yo, we're gonna be drinking out of the creek. You're buying that? You're gonna buy that? Oh, not a wood. Yeah, get this shit out of here. What? I might get some chicken fried. No, I ain't getting that shit. I record this. Chicken fried rice. That was the stupidest record ever. Work the should. I'm getting tires.
There's flashlights over there.
This doesn't work.
There's no battery.
Alright, well, if we get this, it comes with ultimate. Oh!
What do we have
We
here?
got a little lantern. Get one? There's two lights.
No, I'm not getting one.
Don't get one. You don't need to. We're ready? I'm gonna dunk. Like, what are we gonna, like, how are we gonna put, what are we gonna put a plastic bottle over a fire and let it melt?
It doesn't melt if it has water in it.
No, if we put a jug of, I guess you're gonna have to video me doing it, I guess. All right, guys, so we have the water boiling on top of the chair, on top of fire. These mattresses are so much cheaper, and they're made for outdoors. Should we just get one of these and like buy a little pump? Like, look, that doesn't look like any plugs, or does it?
No,
There's a plug. 30 bucks for what? What, are we gonna sleep on this? Like, it did not say that on the box. What did we get, two? Open, bro. Alright, we'll get what you want, boy. Ew, what the shit? Why are you recording? We're driving the shit out of the truck, the crap.
Content. I need content.
No.
Right. So we're taking all the supplies to the tree house right now, and we're gonna set up camp. Oh. So we made it to the tree house. Time to unload. Why is that closed? Shut up.
That's not. I swear.
Do that.
Ooh, it sounded so cool.
Go up.
Not at me, please.
Yeah. Oh, that worked perfect.
Just toss them off.
No, don't do that. You're gonna break them. They're plastic.
Alrighty, my turn.
Oh! Somebody. This is gonna take years. That's it. Trusty Dusty. Watch it like fall down the cracks.
Getting the lantern set up.
Hey, but I was setting up mine.
You just said set up the lantern, idiot. You just told me to set up my lantern.
Just shut it, Chief.
Well, we don't have to use them both.
True.
What the? It works.
What kind of lantern? Do it again. Keep on doing it until it's regular. There it is.
There we
Yeah.
go. Yeah. How the shit did you do that? Just take it off.
off.
Don't yell at me! Yo, this is tough though. Go, Chico! Whoa! I'm gonna keep this box in case we need to use that.
Keep the blow. Oh.
Yeah, why is there stone in here? Why don't we set up this?
No, that keeps the fire from spreading.
Ow!
Oh, these are fireproof, frick.
What, these?
Just light.
The box.
I like this thing.
Box.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Now get some more sticks and throw it on there. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one too. Oh,
This is pitiful. Hey.
dude, give me the freaking lighter.
Ooh. That thing doesn't even go out.
Look, we got fire. It's working, guys.
Whoa!
Look.
Let's go! All right, you get the fire. You get the sticks.
Get more sticks.
And I'll light this.
We need bigger sticks now. Hurry up before it dies.
I don't know.
Bro. Throw this in. No, it's not. No, it's not. And what happened?
We were trying to get a stick so we could hang the water above the fire so we could boil it, and we had a rock, and I was just, going up and down with it, and I got my hands. It doesn't hurt, but it's close to survival.
Now we're headed to the creek. I guess you're gonna have to video me doing it. Oh, 10 minutes? You gotta wait 10 freaking minutes? Oh, there's 13 grams of protein now. They're after us. Oh my gosh. How much is a cup, Ty?
I don't know.
Like about 5 scoops?
Let's try it.
We're gonna go. Oh my god.
Yo,
that smells banging.
Don't be bussin'.
Sheesh! Sheesh! That joint's echoing. They're gonna call the cops on us. I better chill. Bussin'. It's gonna be bussin'. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I mean,
That's not bad.
it's like a
It's like a decent.
4.5 out of 10.
Plus, you didn't have to do any like meal prepping, anything like that.
It doesn't hurt.
I guess you're gonna have. We're gonna go. Oh my god. So, yeah, it's good. Look at that moon, bro. The bud's having a good old time. Take him back.
Kick rocks.
No, good. I'm surprised nobody called the cops. All right, guys, guess what I brought? The BB gun. Caution, this is really a BB gun and not a real gun. All right, guys, this is a BB gun. See the metal? All right, there's metal in there. Right, all right. All right, guys. So we're gonna play a game of rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoever loses has to get shot with this, and that is not gonna feel very well. Okay, very good. Best out of 3, baby. Let's go. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, 1. I get 1, 0. All right, guys, let's see the battle scar, buddy. Oh, that's not bad. Here, wait, record mine real quick. See it?
Yeah, I mean, it
not
looks
that
like a
bad.
pimple.
Yeah. All right, well, let's go to sleep. All right, so it's supposed to be self-inflatable. Tyler. It's not leaking. It's stretching. What? No way. Do we need an outlet? No. Guys, there's a plug. Alright, well, maybe it works without that. No, I don't see how it would, though. Well, I guess we're sleeping on this, but not inflated.
Yeah.
I mean, this just doesn't feel bad. It's not the worst. Welcome to the Buds' first fort. All right. Here you go. Let that close. Over here we have the snack station. We got some water, some cereal.
I mean water.
Nope. Yeah, this is what we're gonna be sleeping on because, you know, things didn't go our way. We thought it would blow up by itself, but you know.
It is what it is.
All right, well, we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, we got a time check of 1:51. We tried to sleep for like maybe 30 minutes, an hour. Ended up not being able to sleep. It was too uncomfortable, so we just been switching in and out, me and Ty, and we just been blowing this up each taking turns once you get too tired, and it's not going too bad. See, it's like so we blew it up, and now we both are hurting and have basically headaches. It's not like all the way, but it still works. Hopefully we can get some sleep this time, but we'll let you know if anything changes. But otherwise, we'll see you in the morning.
All right, so it is currently 5:47 in the morning. Yeah, we barely slept at all. It was really uncomfortable because it was really cold, and it is freezing out, and I think we're gonna call it a night and go home because it is way too cold. Like, we're both freezing. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry that we couldn't make it any more exciting for you guys or any finished out any longer. It's just really cold, and like we don't have the clothes or covers for this. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave it a like, comment any video ideas, and subscribe, guys. Thanks. We're out.
Okay. No way. Okay.
I think we're gonna end it. This is way too long. They're gonna have to cut. And I want them to cut themselves. See how good it was.